The good news about Jesus according to Mark chapter 12 from verse 18 to verse 34. People now got married again. Some Sadducee, them claims that people when dead can't come back alive, come to Jesus and ask him say, "Teacher, Moses write this for we. If one man brother dead left him wife with no picnic, the brother must marry the woman and have picnic with her for him dead brother. Well, one time you did have 7 brothers. The first one married but dead and never have no picnic. The second brother married the dead brother wife, but him dead too and never have no picnic. The same thing happened to the third brother. The 7 brother them dead, but none of them no get no picnic. Then the woman dead too. When a time for them come back alive with all of the other dead people them, who for wife shall go be, since the 7 of them did married to her?" Jesus answered them say, "Uno know say uno well wrong. And uno know why? Cause uno no know where God word say, and uno no know God power. Cause when dead people come back alive, man and woman now go get married. Them are going to come in like the angel them in heaven. But when you not talk about dead people if come back alive, you never read when Moses write down in the part about the bush, how God say, "Me are Abraham God, Isaac God, and Jacob God." Him are not God for the dead, but for who are live, so no well wrong. The biggest law out of all of them. One law teacher come and hear Jesus and the Sadducee them a argue. When he said Jesus give them one good answer, him ask Jesus say, "Out of all of the law them where God say we fi follow, which one are the most important one?" Jesus answer him say, "The most important law are this. People of Israel, listen. The Lord we are fear God, him are one. You feel love the Lord where your God. You feel love him with all of your heart. You feel love him with all of your soul. You feel love him with all of your mind. And you feel love him with all of your strength." The second most important law are this. You feel love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. No other law no more important like them two here. The law teacher said to him, say, "A true thing that teacher. You're right for say, a only one God there, and that no other God know about, only him. And you're right for say the most important law, I feel love him with all your heart, with all of your mind, and with all of your strength. And you feel love your neighbor same like how you love yourself. You're right for say them two law there, more important than when somebody burn sacrifice give God or give up offering." When Jesus say the man give one answer when makes sense, him say to him say, "You're not that far from God's kingdom." After that, nobody else never even think to ask him no more question. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.